Hi! In this video, I will show you how to use Canva app. First, open your Canva app in your mobile phone and log in into your account. This is your Canva app's homepage, the overall page, where you can see different templates to choose from different platforms. This is your Canva app's project page, where all your projects can be seen. This is your Canva app's template page, where different templates designed from different topics, trending templates, and templates from different platforms. And in this page is where you can subscribe to Canva Pro to enjoy all the features for free for 14 days. Now, to give you an idea on how Canva works, we will try to make an image for Instagram stories. We'll choose the template we like to use. Let's try this one. To put picture on this template, tap in here and tap on photo you want to put. You can crop your photo by dragging the edges of your photo. You can also place it anywhere on the template by tapping on the photo and drag it anywhere you want. We can also put some elements in here. Just tap in here and search for the elements you want to add. You can also resize it. If you like to add some text, tap here and choose the text style you want to add. You can edit your text with this set of tools right here. You can also draw into your template with these writing tools over here. We can save this by tapping here. Hope you have the idea now on how to use Canva app in mobile phone. So that's it. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe on our channel. Bye!